Good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever time zone you're in. Thank you so much for being here in support of me and watching my show. Why is Tiffany so talented? The show that I do to show you exactly what I'm doing when I'm not making your shea butter soaps, your hot cocoa bombs, cooking for Tiff's taste, or exploring this beautiful state of Arizona with my mom, my daughter, and my auntie on Adventures with Tiffany. But this show is about the dress. And new dress alert, because I have a new dress. This beautiful green goblin looking, I don't know if it is a poison ivy type dress, but it's so cute. This is the drawing. Let me let you get into it. It's really pretty, so you know for those black lines I'm going to use some velvets, of course. I'm not sure if the yellow is gold, meaning I'm not sure if the yellow is meant to represent gold or a neon green kind of just lighter tone accent pop. But I definitely will get clarification before I do anything with the stones. But it's gorgeous, gorgeous. I get to add some dangles down in that little high split on the side. I see they drew her a headpiece. I'm hoping I get to make that. That would be amazing. But it's a really cute dress. There it is. Now, let's put it on the mannequin. All right, she is on the mannequin looking all beautiful and cute. I love this little archway dip right here, and just the fact that the inside of the skirt is this green color, so when she gets to whipping it around, honey, it's gonna be gorgeous. So now that we got her nice and on the mannequin, you know what I need to go do right now? Cut out some velvet. But I do, hold on, I do have a stash of cutouts. Where's that? Of cutouts here. I don't know if these are the right size though. See, I got some black velvet already cut out. Well, while there's plenty here, I think I can finagle it with what I already have. See, I use these kind of fabric strips a lot, so I just decided to start being a hoarder. I'm not even gonna lie. Remember this off of that Beyonce dress that kind of looked like Adidas? So I still have those, and you know, other ones from other dresses. So I will put that back for another dress, another day, and use this vast array of sizes in velvet that I already have cut out. I have some more over here that fell out. Oh yeah. So these are all velvet as well. They just need to be cut down to size, so I definitely can use those. So I started my ombres, and each one of these X's coming out in either direction. This is the gold fading into the golden shadow. As you see, there's a theme with my latest dresses of me doing ombres. I kind of faded out into the black here. I don't really know how much I like that. I might acetone it completely off because I still need to kind of fade down into the green tones. Let's see. Not so splotchy like that, but an actual ombre. So yeah, I'm gonna go into this forest green and then an emerald. Alright, so this is how this ombre is coming together. I don't know why green always gives me reptilian, but that is how it's coming together, with the gold in the middle sparking out with the golden shadow fading into the forest green, ending in emerald. And now you see we're moving into the front. I did this panel in the front because it faded into this panel in the back. So maybe I'll do these smaller ones first and then come around the front. Yeah, let's just knock the back out. Oh, this is coming out so pretty. So I got the full, what is this, the right bust done with a light sprinkle down the torso. All of this back done. I still need to sprinkle in this panel with some green. Forgot about that actually, so I need to do that next. This whole side. So I need to do these straps. This panel here. And these few little panels right here. Almost done. I think that's a good start for day 2. Or that's good progress for day 2. It's cute. Now let me find some stones. This dress is just coming out so amazingly. It's just so beautiful to me. These X's is just like X marks the spot for me. And I am loving it. I'm loving the way the ombre just caresses the gown. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but I love it. So I'm working on the straps here in the back. I got that forest green on one side, jet down the middle, and the emerald going toward the outside border. So I still need to do the back too, but this dress is coming out beautifully. Let me back up so you can see. See that ombre? It's gorgeous. Amazing. It's giving me reptilian. It's giving me stand out in a crowd. I love it. I love it. Let me back up. Let me look at it through the glass. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Gorgeous. If I was far away in the audience, I could still see her on the dance floor because the black X's are so vivid. I love it. I love the way this dress is coming out. All right, so as you see, I need to do the straps in the back. I still need to do this left side of the bodice, and then this dress will be done. I chalked this out because I want to add some dangles here. If you saw when I came in here, we just got a shipment of a bunch of dangles. And look, Priscilla is already putting them to work. And this is gorgeous. The bronze with the AB stones, with the light cyan string with the AB stones. This is a 2-piece, obviously. Super cute, super pretty. So I'm gonna find a coordinating green or maybe the golden shadow, because it's on the black and I want to bring some accent to that. So yeah, maybe I'll add some of those golden shadow chains down this split right here. And I just, so when she's doing all of this, you can see some extra movement with the chains right there. It'll be cute. Cute, cute, cute. All right, let's do it. another day. I'm almost done. The client Gisela just saw it and said it was amazing, so that's amazing. I cut up some pieces to dangle here in the split in 2 different sizes. I think I'm gonna add some green ones as well, but I'm gonna have to make them in back-to-back strands just so it can give it a little more accent. I think I might make this line a little bit more heavy. I still have to go into this section here and fill in with the emerald green, but after that I am done. And I thought I was gonna jump into this pink one, but I'm not. Now it's finally time to do the Puerto Rican flag dress. So you know how I make my back-to-backs. Let me scoot this one over a little bit. Got a little glue on my finger. Scoot that a little over. And I place them in a line at the desired length. I'm gonna add some glue dots and then put this down on top of my glue dots. I'm not gonna do a small project because I'm literally only making 2, one at 6 inches and one at I think 2 inches. And I've already installed these ones. So no small project alert, or you get a mini one inside this video. just that quick. The small project alert is done. Just some cute little dangles like that. Now I'm gonna go in with the emerald in this place here, and then finish these 2 straps on the end, and this dress will be done. Thank you for watching already. The dress is finally done. Isn't it gorgeous? I love the way the X's just gives me kind of a reptilian kind of mode. I don't know what it is, but I absolutely love it. The way that the aura fades out into this golden shadow, into the, I said it was forest green, but it's actually shamrock, into this emerald green. I just think that it's gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching this dress. If you missed a step, feel free to send me an email. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And if you need more coaching, go ahead and drop an email as well, and we can figure out a date and a time and a price point for you, depending on your needs. Thanks again for watching. I just hit 250 subscribers here on YouTube, and I just wanted to say thank you so much to each and every one of you. I'm so glad that you're enjoying the content. If you see something that you've never seen before, feel free to share it with your friends, because I want to share my work with the world and just let everyone know that, Black girls can do it all. And we're definitely here in this ballroom space. Again, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.